Hey everybody, Doug again with another Whiteboard Wisdom, and today we're going to talk about redeployable machines. Now, we have a different Whiteboard Wisdom where we talked about receiving those machines back. Once you get those machines back, why do you care about them? The first reason is because those machines actually still have value. If you just put them into a shelf, which we'll talk about in a second, and you don't know what machines you have or what can be reused, chances are you're buying brand new machines when you don't need to. Interns, contractors, new hires, break-fix cases, there's all kinds of categories of users that can use these redeployable devices versus getting a brand new device. Another reason that you want to do this is to get the most value out of those machines. Now, sometimes customers of ours will depreciate their machines over 4 or 5 years, so you have to be careful of the financial implications of writing these machines off if you haven't already done so. But chances are those machines are still worth something, so you can actually offset that cost with the value of those machines if they were to be remarketed, which we'll handle in another Whiteboard Wisdom. But now, let's say you've already decided we want to do something with these machines. The first option is, again, you just do nothing, which means you're going to stack them up. That's the dead end. We don't want to go there. But let's go down this path where you have a few different options. Now, you're going to be looking at things like warranty dates. You're going to be looking at things like the current value of that asset, obviously the book value. And when you receive those computers, we want to check those things. We normally recommend if you have 6 months left on your warranty or 6 months left on your depreciation schedule, go ahead and retire that device. It's likely worth something still. And the benefit to the end user there is they're not getting 2 swaps in the course of 6 or 12 months. They're getting 1 and they're back up and running. If you receive that device and it's a break fix, chances are you already know or can diagnose pretty quickly what's wrong with that device. We recommend going ahead and get that repaired. If it's under warranty, obviously you can do that very quickly. If it's not under warranty, we'd recommend having some sort of warranty formula where you can look at the cost of the repair, the labor of the repair, and what's actually going to be done with that machine, and then make the decision. Should this be repaired or just get retired? The last step and the last category that we have here is the redeployable devices. Obviously, this is one that doesn't need retired, doesn't need repaired, and just needs a visual machine inspection. So take a physical look at that machine, you can grade it. Then you're going to need to clean up that machine, wipe it, obviously get it out of the hands of the last user virtually in your database, and get it ready for the next user. Now, when we say redeployable, a grade A or B machine is like new, and chances are your end users won't even know if you're able to clean it up and get it ready to rock and roll for them. Well, that's another Whiteboard Wisdom for today, talking about redeployables.